Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the 360-degree security cameras wireless outdoor 2.4GHz 5GHz Wi-Fi light bulb camera. This amazing camera system provides top-notch security for your home with features that will blow you away. With dual-band 2.4GHz 5GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect this light bulb camera to your home network for smooth remote viewing. The 1080p HD video with night vision provides clear footage day and night, giving you peace of mind no matter the time of day. Motion-activated alerts let you know when movement is detected, so you can always stay on top of what's happening around your home. And the best part? Installation is a breeze. Simply use your existing light bulb socket. No wiring needed. The two-way audio feature allows for seamless communication through the app, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. And with an IP65 weatherproof rating, this camera can be used indoors or outdoors, no matter the weather. Don't compromise on the safety of your home. Invest in the 360-degree security cameras wireless outdoor 2.4GHz 5GHz Wi-Fi light bulb camera. You won't regret it. If you're interested in purchasing this amazing camera system, be sure to check out the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.